Rio de Janeiro at night is one of the most seductive places on earth. The music, the warm air, and the energy of the people can make you feel like you are in a movie. But let's look at the situation on the ground. The adrenaline of party often makes tourists forget the basic rules of safety. In this city, nightlife is high reward, but it is also high risky if you don't know the game. I'm a local and I've seen too many travelers ruin their vacation because of a simple mistake made at 2 a.m. They are not just bad luck histories, they are patterns. Today, we are going to look at the behaviors that mark you as a target. I'm going to show you the 7 biggest mistakes tourists always make and how you can avoid them to stay 100% smart. Let's start with the most expensive mistakes of all. Mistake number 1 is the most common reason people lose their phones in Rio: using your smartphone on the sidewalk. You are outside a cool bar in Botafogo or Ipanema. You are waiting for an Uber or looking for the next club on Google Maps. You think because there are many people around, you are safe. You are wrong. In Rio, criminals on bicycles or motorcycles patrol the nightlife districts looking exactly for this. They ride fast on the sidewalk, snatch the phone from your hand, and disappears in seconds. Even the locals fall for this if they are distracted. The insider protocol: your phone must be invisible while you are on the street. If you need to check your location or call a car, you must go inside the bar, the hotel lobby, or a shop. Do your business there. Put the phone in your pocket and only then walk back to the sidewalk. Never wait for an Uber with your phone in your hand. Mistake number 2 is a classic tourist trap of the mind: walking on the beach sand after dark. The ocean looks beautiful under the moonlight, and it seems romantic to walk near the waves in Copacabana or Ipanema. But as an insider, I'm telling you, the sand at night is a red zone. The police patrol the sidewalk, but they rarely go onto the dark sand. Criminals wait in the shadows for couples or solo travelers to walk away from the lights. Once you are 50 meters away from the sidewalk, you are invisible and vulnerable. The rule: enjoy the view from the kiosks on the sidewalk. Drink your caipirinha where the lights and the people are. If you want to touch the water, do it during the day. At night, stay on the pavement. Mistake number 3 is a logistical error that can cost you a lot of money: ignoring the comanda system. In most Rio nightclubs and bars, you don't pay for each drink at the bar. Instead, they give you a consumption card, comanda, at the entrance. Everything you drink is registered on this card, and you pay the total bill when you leave. The problem is, if you lose this card, the club will charge you a massive fine, usually between 500 to 800 reais. Scammers inside the club might even try to steal your card if they see you are drunk or distracted. The insider move: treat your comanda like your passport. Never leave it on the table. Keep it in a secure pocket or inside your doleira or pochette, hidden money belt. If you are in a group, make sure everyone understands that losing that piece of plastic will ruin the budget for the whole week. Mistake number 4 is about your camouflage: wearing expensive jewelry or watches. I know you want to look good for the party, but wearing a Rolex, a gold chain, or carrying a professional camera around your neck at 1 a.m. is like putting a "rob me" sign on your back. Rio is a city of massive inequality. Looking too rich in a public streets makes you a high priority target for gangs. The insider defense: to stay safe, you need to blend in. Dress like a local. Wear simple clothes. leave the expensive accessories in the hotel safe, and use the right language. We've covered the physical mistakes, your phone, your jewelry, and where you walk. But now we need to talk about the most dangerous mistakes, the ones that involve your mind and your trust. In Rio, the energy is so friendly that it's easy to lower your guard. But remember, a professional scammer doesn't look like a criminal. They look like your new best friends. Let's look at the reality of mistake number 5. Mistake number 5 is oversharing with strangers. Cariocas are naturally welcoming. It's very common to start a conversation at a bar and 20 minutes later feel like you've known the person for years. They will ask you where you are staying, how long you will be in Rio, and if you are traveling alone. This is not always innocent curiosity. They are checking if you are a valuable target and if you have someone looking out for you at your hotel. The insider protocol. Be fun, be social, but be vague. Never tell a stranger the exact name of your hotel or that you are traveling alone. If they ask, say you are staying near the beach and that you are meeting friends later. The pro move. Social dynamics in Rio can be complex, specifically if you are looking for romance or high-end parties. If you want a personal review of your night plans or want to know which social environments are safe for your profile, I offer a real nightlife briefing. I can help you filter the real Rio from the setups designed for tourists. The link is in the description. Mistake number 6 is a technical error that can have serious consequences. Blindly trusting your GPS at night. I always emphasize the GPS trap because it's the number one way tourists end up in the red zones by mistakes. During the day, taking a shortcut through a narrow street might just be a bit scary. At 3 a.m., that same shortcut can lead you directly into a community controlled by armed groups who do not want strangers driving through their territory. Digital maps like Waze or Google Maps do not know that a specific street is heavy or that a certain hill is a no-go zone after dark. They only see the shortest distance. The insider defense. This is why my real safety map is an essential tool for your night out. While the regular GPS tries to save you 2 minutes, my protocol shows you exactly where the safety borders of the nightlife districts are. If the street your GPS is suggesting looks orange or red on my map, you stay on the main illuminated avenues. Don't take risks with your life to save a few cents on an Uber. You can find the link for the map below. Finally, mistake number 7. The "it's only 3 blocks" walk. You are leaving a club at 4 a.m. Your hotel is only 500 meters away. You think, it's close, I'll just walk and enjoy the night air. This is the moment when most crimes of opportunity happen. Criminals watch the exits of popular bars. They look for the person walking alone or the couple that looks tired and slightly intoxicated. An empty street in Rio at 4 a.m. is a playground for thieves on motorcycles. The rule? If it's late at night, there is no such thing as a short walk. Take an Uber or a taxi from the door of the bar to the door of your hotel. It will cost you 10 reais and it removes 100% of the risk. In Rio, being cheap with your transportation at night is the most expensive mistake you can make. I know I've been very direct today. My goal is not to make you stay in your hotel room. My goal is to give you the urban intelligence to enjoy the most incredible nightlife in the world without any bad stories to tell. Rio is a city of high rewards. The music is better, the drinks are colder, and the people are more alive here than anywhere else. but you cannot dar mole, as we say in Rio. You have to stay awake and stay smart. Follow the protocols. Hide your phone, stay off the sand, avoid the GPS shortcuts, and use the metro or Uber. If you found these tips valuable, hit the like button and subscribe. Check the description for the safety map and my private consultations. Rio is waiting for you. Be an insider, stay safe, and have the best night of your life. I will see you in the next video.